Compatible with Buick Encore 1.4L 2013 to 2021, Enclave 3.6L 2021, Chevrolet Trax 1.4L 2013 to 2021. Replaces ACDELCO A3184C, FRAM California 11501, GM 95021102, PUROLATOR A26319, Wicks Washington, 10255. Improve performance by changing your vehicle's air filter at least every 12,000 miles, or as recommended in your car owner's manual, to ensure your vehicle's engine has the clean and efficient airflow it needs for fast acceleration and power. Avoid increased engine wear caused by dirty air intake filters that may allow damaging particles to get into the engine. Factory fit for easy installation. Changing your engine air filter is a small task that can have a big impact on engine performance and longevity. For optimal engine health, it's recommended that the engine air filter be replaced every 12 months or 12,000 miles. Most engine air filters are very easy to change, requiring few or no tools and only a few minutes of your time. Top reviews from the United States. Worked as expected. Very easy to install. Felt snug like it should. Good price. Works as expected. Fit my 2016 Lieutenant Chevy Trax.